Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200. This is the 48 Special, only made for 2 years, just arrived with only 2,500 miles. Fantastic sounding Vance & Hines exhaust. Wait till you hear that. This bike has a brand new tire on the back because it picked up a nail. So you're getting a brand new back tire on this beautiful satin black Harley Sportster 1200. Come on by. Make your 48 Special dreams come true for just $11,499. This bike has a lot of curb appeal. It is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 Wow. That thing is awesome. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.